Hi, I'm Jacob and this is Luke, and today he's going to be doing a chili test. So basically what Luke's going to do is swallow this whole thing of chili. So, Luke, off you go. Oh my god. There is water nearby, by the way. Luke, there's water here! Luke, here, Luke! They're not there, it's there, you idiot! Oh my god! And that was Luke doing a chili test.